On this problem with the anemometer, we could redraw this 3D picture-ish into a 2D picture. We've got a right triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 and whose height is 5. And we're asking how far is the base pole? How far from the base is let's read this. I'm learning. Oh gosh, I can't talk. How far from the base of the pole is each wire attached to the ground? How far from the base of the pole, which is this point here, is each wire attached to the ground? These are wires, so we're asking for this distance or this distance. So we don't know if this is a special 30, 60, 90 or 45, 45, 90. So all we can do is the Pythagorean theorem, where the square of the hypotenuse is the sum of the squares of the legs. And the hypotenuse is 6, and one of the legs is x, and the other leg is 5. So 36 is x squared plus 25. We'll subtract 25 from the left, and we'll subtract 25 from the right. So when we take the square root of both sides, the answer to the question, the distance from the base to where the wire is attached to the ground, this distance is x, which is the square root of 11. The square root of 11, we don't need to put that in our calculator. We could, it's going to be 3 point something, but we'll just leave it as an exact answer. The square root of 11 feet.